𝗙𝗵𝘁. Welcome to another video. This video is about plugins, how to install a plugin. But let me first explain to you guys what a plugin is. Plugin basically है क्या? देखें, हम यूज़ करते हैं WordPress. ठीक है ना, ये है WordPress का logo. And all what you see here are plugins. ठीक है? You have this SEO plugin, e-commerce plugin, firewall security plugin, a website builder plugin, creating forms plugin. Basically, एक plugin जो है ना एक piece of software है. It's a piece of software which can be installed on the WordPress website. And I'm going to show you guys how to install a plugin. Plugins के बगैर वेबसाइट बिल्कुल बेकार है in WordPress. Look, आपको मैं दिखाता हूँ कि for example ये जब अपनी वेबसाइट पे जाते हैं this is a plugin, a contact form plugin. You see, you can feed your names and your message, and this will, let's check. Okay, now let me guys show you how to install a plugin. सीख लो यार, सीख लो कुछ ताकि कुछ ना कुछ कर लो जिंदगी च. ठीक है. This is in Dutch, by the way. It says, look here in this section, plugins. I'm using Elementor in WordPress. Here you can see many different plugins. You have free plugins, paid plugins. For example, contact form. आपने बस एक plugin search करना है यहाँ पे, and then you can click on install. The plugin is being installed. Now it's installed. You can directly activate it from here, or first you can go to install plugins. It should be here on the list. Look at this. And when you activate it, it's activated on the website. Simple. Thank you for watching.